What is up, my dudes? It's your boy Quantum FPV, and today we're at the park. 5 through 12-year-olds. I'm only 4 years over that limit. By the way, I'm going to show you a quick little panorama. You might notice that every single spot that I've ever flown is in this 1 square mile. Except Harper's Ferry near the Potomac River. If I pronounced that wrong, let me know in the description below, aka the comment section. Oh yeah, also before I forget, I have one battery, and it's this one right here. It's made by a company called I Forget, and it is covered in red duct tape. If you know cheap batteries, please let me know. This is my only battery. It's a little bit cut up right here, but who cares? That's a low current lead. I'm not gonna die. Current kills. That was a stupid joke. Oops. Oh, got a little nick. Let's see if we still have a working quadcopter. I think it should be okay. Maybe. Still works. Sometimes you just crash a lot. Crashing is how you get better. Damn, I bent the crap out of my camera mount. I bend the crap out of it every time. Who am I kidding? And my camera mount is bent so bad. But guess what? It's made of like 2mm PLA plastic. What do you expect? I put this little sucker on here so I stop breaking freaking PDBs, which are awful, by the way. This drone is old. There's no 4-in-1 ESC on it. Never ever buy a PDB. It's always very stupid. By the way, I'm finally going to upgrade to a QX7 soon because my birthday is coming up. Heck yeah. I'm also going to be building a micro quad, I think, or buying more batteries for my 5-inch. In fact, I would like to hear what you guys think. Should I buy more batteries for my 5-inch quad so I can put some more videos on the channel, or build a 3-inch quad and put some sick DVR up there? I'm actually still kind of debating it because my quad on my backpack here, I'm leaving, is around a year old, which is actually quite old for mini quads, as you might know. So it's kind of damaged. It's got a dedicated PDB that I've broken completely once, and a few weeks ago I had to completely take the whole damn thing apart and put a new PDB in there. It's a huge pain in the ass. So I don't know how much longer this thing's gonna last. Yeah, and that's pretty much all I gotta say. Peace.